is Tiffany's Content, and we're in California talking about the San Andreas Fault. You can visit it in San Mateo, the northernmost point near San Francisco. But we're talking about two major fault lines that are ready to hit its highest stress level yet in over 1,000 years. Okay, so we're talking 2.8 megapascal scale. Okay, that it is reading at when the average is 1.2 to 2.7. Okay, so we're definitely at its highest stress level, and it's only one fault land, okay? But it's two tectonic plates that they're on, okay? It's on the Pacific plate and the North American plate where this lies, and you can see that in the Parkville Bridge in California, okay? So we're going to take you through this. It's 750 miles, okay? It's a right lateral strike slip transform fault. It's the complete San Andreas Fault is broken up into three sections: the north, the south, and the central. Okay, so the beginning of the ending of the north is near Eureka, and the ending of the south is near Bombay. And you're going to see the Los Angeles is taking on the northwest path, and San Francisco is taking on that southwest path, and it's going in two opposite directions. Okay, and when they squeeze together and move in different directions, they form mountains, and you can see that it already formed mountains in that area, most famous mountains as well. And you can see that the two major fault lines, the LS Noor Fault and the San Jacinto Fault, is definitely meeting up with the Sierra Fault. Now, where they meet at is called the Cajun Pass. And in that Cajun Pass is definitely where scientists are saying that it is on the midst of the break, that 1,000-year break, okay, that it has not hit a major earthquake since 1906. So we're going to look at some video on that. We're going to talk about that a little bit more, but you're able to see how that Pacific Ocean is underneath the North American plate, basically, and squeezing together. And you're going to see the different sections, the north, the south, and the central, how the San Andreas is stretched so it's going through the whole state of California, basically. Okay, so they're saying that Los Angeles will probably even meet up. And you see the Cajun Pass that I was telling you about, and that's what they're on the they're looking at. They're thinking about breaking that it's on that $1,000 stress point. Okay, it hasn't had an earthquake in over 1,000 years. So that's what we're talking about today. And you're going to see they're saying that Los Angeles may even surpass San Francisco because it's going in a different direction. Okay, so you can see where Los Angeles is all the way down in the south, and San Francisco is all the way where that red point is there. And you can see that they're saying that the direction of this transform fault, how San Francisco is going in a different direction, and Los Angeles is going in the other direction. So they're saying that Los Angeles may even surpass San Francisco millions of years from now. Okay, but we're going to take a look at even more deep details into why this is happening. Okay, right now they're talking about the earthquake. This is the earthquake zone. They're showing you where it can rupture at. It's a forecast, an earthquake forecast, okay? And it's stretching all the way from San Francisco down to Los Angeles. It's even in a little bit of Mexico, okay? But right now, it's on that 1,000-year breaking point. And that earth-shaped map is here. So you're going to even feel it all the way past, Seattle, Washington, okay? Down to Mexico. So this is how much to shake. The red is the most shake, and it's a 62% chance that California can experience a major earthquake, okay, in the next few years. And that's the thing, we don't even know. It could be the next day, it could be now, it could be the next few years, but scientists cannot even pinpoint, or no one can pinpoint the exact time that this rupture can occur. Okay, so look at this. We're talking about the earth, the rock, the bedrock underneath us is sliding in two different directions. Okay, and it's called the San Andreas Fault, going straight through California. Okay, it's on a transform fault, meaning it's going two different directions. Okay, it's moving in two different directions. The last one is in 1906. Okay, and you're going to be able to see some photos of how they're trying to hold and how they tried to hold it together, and it actually broke through that tunnel back then. Okay, but right now it's on that Cascadia subduction zone, okay? The subduction zone is where it's like it's squeezing together and pushing under and pushing up, squeezing and pushing under and pushing up. And this is underneath the ocean floor where this is all happening too. So that's why it's important that you stay tuned to Tiffany's content so that I can give you all the updates on what's going on in our weather, our forecast, and in our oceans, okay? This is very serious, okay? The last one was a 7.9 earthquake in 1989, and that was not it was actually in California on the San Andreas Fault, but not near the Cajun Pass. So there's a lot of faults in there, okay? The Cajun Pass is just the one where they all meet. It's just the one where they're thinking about maybe on a $1,000-year stress of breaking, okay? So we're just looking at the ocean ground, the ocean floor, how important it is that we stay focused on what's going on in our ocean, because that can have a huge effect on our Earth and how it affects our lives today. So we're going to just take a look at the Loma Prieta earthquake that happened in 1989. It was a San Francisco earthquake, okay, on the San Andreas Fault, and it damaged a lot of things, okay? A lot of people were devastated and lost lives because of this. So I'm bringing it to your attention because right now it's on its breaking point, okay? I will keep you updated. Stay tuned to Tiffany's content. I love everybody and thanks for watching. It's Tiffany's content. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.